just named her Stacy, and now she's famous. She's the famous Stacy.
Hi fashionistas! Today we are going to learn how to thread a machine. This is the most important thing you can learn as you are starting your sewing journey. The first thing you are going to do is turn on your machine. I used a Brother ES2000. Pick the thread you are going to use and put it on your spool pin. You will take your thread and follow the numbers on your machine 1 through 4 or 5. Newer machines will already be numbered. If you have an older machine, I like to take a label machine and label the machine in order that you thread it. It makes it a lot faster and easier. Don't worry, we'll do all this again in slow motion. You will then take your thread and put it through the thread guide at the top of the machine. Then you are going to drop it down into the groove and then pull it back up the other side with the goal of getting the thread into the thread take-up lever. Once that is hooked properly, I will bring down the thread into the thread guide on the needle bar. Next, you'll go through the steps to get your thread through the automatic threader. I will link my video on how to do this. Thank you for visiting the Famous Stacy channel today. Please subscribe if you would like to have notifications for my videos, and please like this tutorial if it was helpful. Please ask any questions you have in the comments.